Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable or turn off Facebook's two-factor authentication on your iOS or Android device running the Facebook app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon at the top right, and then go down and select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Settings and Privacy, select the Settings button, and then select the Account Center. See more in Account Center. Go ahead and select that. And then under Account Settings, select Password and Security. And now that we're on this page, you want to select where it says two-factor authentication near the top. And you would have to go ahead and verify your account. And then once you've gone through the steps, you would be able to turn it off through this page. So again, you would select the account that you want to set up or turn off two-factor authentication for. You likely would need to enter in a code in order to confirm the change once you've toggled it to the off position and you've turned off two-factor authentication. And you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.